Hey everyone, Kmart FPV here with trick track number 2. And in case you missed the first one, it's pretty straightforward. Down the video description below is an MP3 track. Play it along with your flight and follow its rules. When it says to do a trick, you gotta do that trick. One take, one pack, no cuts.
Oh, I think the storm's coming. Okay, Kmart, enough talking, get ripping.
Yeah, he's right. Let's just get into it. Arm the quad and take off. Easy, level flight. You can only turn right for the next 20 seconds. Juicy flick. Throw back. Wall bonk. Inverted yaw spin. Power loop. Wall ride.